Welcome to the lock-in. I've been having another clear out, been in a cupboard that I've not been in for a long while, and found some more locks. This one's a pound shop lock from Poundland. Looks like I bought two at one time, but I've just got this one left. There's that one. Found an Airbus Plus 8840 disc detainer lock. And an Airbus 6540. It's been in a wet place, so it's pretty soggy. Luckily it's a marine padlock, so hopefully this one will be okay to pick. So let's start off with the pound shop one. I'll pick this one on this video and then the other two on another video. Here goes. Let's put this in the vise. I think we'll single pin pick this. Got my tension wrench caught on that stud there. I thought I was struggling a bit. Try a different tension wrench. There. Well, there we go. That's a bit easier with a proper tension wrench. I had to pick one pin. That's a pound shop lock. And car stuck over. It's actually got a broken car. So actually a bit of a broken lock straight out of the packaging. Key stuck in it now. That's one for the bin. Only pick locks that you own. Keep it legal.